Hi everyone, welcome to the English Grammar Lesson 10. Adjectives. Adjectives are words which tell us something more about nouns. This is a red car. This is a fat man. Red and fat are adjectives which describe more about the two nouns, car and man. Without telling this is a car, we have used an adjective red to tell more about the car. This is a red car. Same in the other example, if we tell that this is a man, it's true, but we don't have a clear idea. We don't know what type of a man he is. This is a fat man. Okay, now we know more about the man. He is a fat man. So it's very clear now that the adjectives are used to describe more about the nouns. Some more examples are given below, such as big, thin, rich, poor, young, old, tall, short, dirty, black, little, good. Adjectives and the plural form. Let's see how we form the plural of the nouns with adjectives. A good teacher, good teachers. More than adding a s to the noun, we have dropped the article a in plural form. But the red flower, the red flowers. Here we have not dropped the article the when creating the plural form. There are several kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number or numeral adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, and exclamatory adjectives. Likewise, adjectives can be categorized into many classes, but in this session, we will talk about only few of them. The adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. The word quality itself gives an idea about the adjectives in this kind. This answers the question of what kind. Colombo is a large city. Colombo is a city. What kind of a city? It's a large city. He is an old man. What kind of a man? An old man. She is an honest girl. What kind of a girl? An honest girl. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity will talk about how much of a thing is meant. This will answer the question, how much? He ate some rice. He did not eat any rice. Some more examples given below. Some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, great, half, sufficient, whole, and there are many more. Adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. Simply, this will answer the question, how many? They have 2 daughters. There are no books on the table. There are few more examples given below. 5, few, no, many, all, some, most, several, first. The summary is that any kind of adjective used will help to give a clear idea on what we are talking about. Thank you for watching. See you from the next video on English Grammar Lesson 11.